Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you
Hello everyone. hello to you all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. For me, I am doing good. So guys, welcome back to another topic, but this topic is about my products, guys. It's about how we treat ourselves, the way we take care of our body. I know I'll be talking about this and I will continue to talk about it because it's not all about being fat. Okay, you can see me. If you look at me very well. I know some people will be wondering, you are talking about being taking care of ourselves and all that. You take care of, I do take care of myself. You don't know me before. If you go to my YouTube channel, there are some pictures I put on my status on my WhatsApp. I put some on my Facebook. You will see that there is a very big difference. As you can see, you will see that there is a very big difference before and now. Okay, then I was only have one, but now cuatro. You can see that there is difference. So guys, it is not even by being fat. You can be fat, but when you are healthy, is the most, as in you are number one. Even if you are like this, you are not sick, you are fine, you are very 100% good. Our health is the most important thing. It's not by being fat. There are many slim people that I know. They are so slim. Look at their shape. They have flat tummy. They have big backers. They are slim. They have big, But inside them, they are not feeling good. They are sick. They are not feeling well at all. Do you understand? So that is why I said it's not by being fat. Oh, you might be fat, but take care of yourself. If you want to reduce, that is a different case. As long as you are not sick, it's just fat, right? If you want to bring it down, gradually, you will be bringing it down. Okay, but first, you have to take care of your health. It's very important. I know many people have been saying that when someone is fat, it is very easy for that person to get sick. Yes, it's true. But look at it the other way. There are so many fat people who they are not sick. They are just fine, but it's natural. That fatness rose in their blood, in their, as in, is in their family. When you check very well, you will see that their generation to generation, they are fat. Even as I'm talking to you, if you see my mom, you will see that we have the same station. It's even now that she's getting older that she's trying to calm down. You understand me? But before, she was like me when she was still young. You understand me? So you can see that there is no too much of a lekpa in my family. All what we have is big backers. We have that big backers and big lap. You understand? I don't know if you understand me. So there are some family like that. They are just So there are some they are just so it's not all about fat. It's all about healthy. When you are fine, you are not sick. You are 100% good to go. Okay, guys. So today I'm talking about my amazing products, guys. These have been helping me. Yes, even when I stop taking it, it's still working for me. I have stopped taking it for long. I'm just using it as an example. It's what I take and it really worked for me. I will not lie to you. Okay, this is nothing but the truth. It worked for me and I have stopped taking it. Look at me. I'm still okay. Even if I'm a little, but with time, I know I'm gonna calm down more than this. But it's gradually. It's not something I have to take again, just like the way I was doing it before. Because then I was like, only my stomach alone then. Look at me now. I don't know. I wanted to come also, you can see me. Only my stomach then. It was like this more than 6 months. I was fat. My stomach was too big. You understand me? Then I was not even eating like that. So now I eat the way I like. Because me, the only thing I do is control the food I eat. I don't just eat anyhow because I want to eat. Today I will eat and then tomorrow I will eat and then no, I don't do it like that. I just, I schedule it. What I eat today, I will not eat it tomorrow. Especially those things I know I'm not going to gain anything from. And I will expect you to do the same. You don't eat because you want to eat. You eat only when you are hungry. Okay, and when you want to eat, guys, because I have lived with so many girls, I have lived with different people, I have lived with different women. There are some women, when they eat, when they turn this, what do they call it, semola, when you hide for the back, they will not see you. One person will finish that semola. He will finish different, as in maybe pomo, fresh, he will finish different type of meat along the line. Finish the food, finish the meat at the same time. As in, what I'm trying to say is that they eat a lot. Do you understand? Some women eat a lot. They eat, and the most important thing, what they eat is those things that is not too good for our health. Things like 1, yam. 2, rice. 3, semola. 4, bread. All this white bread you guys are seeing is not good at all. Because number 1, bread is not good for us. When you use it, for me, I don't know, for you. For me, I know, but for you, I don't know. But for me, it's not too good for me, because sometimes when I eat it, I could not even go to the restroom. To go to the restroom to be a problem. Because it would not digest on time, or else you eat more fruits along. When you just finished eating the bread, you have to eat more fruit or vegetable along. So it will bring those things down. If not, to go to the restroom to be a very big problem. You understand me? So white bread, semola, rice, yam. Plantain is a little good, but unripe plantain, you know, it's strong when you cook it, but or else you cook it very well, so it will be very soft. You understand me, guys? So guys, mind what you eat, control your food. That is the most important thing. It's not that being fat, I'm not fat. Leave fat for now. If you also want to control your fat, look at what I'm holding in my hand. This will help you. It helped me a lot. It help you control your body, your immune system, your hormone system, your organs inside you. Okay, it help you set everything, put everything in order for you. Because what is in here, it is the fruit you are not opportune to eat raw. That is the fruit you can get from here. What I'm trying to say is that, for example, most of us, we don't eat more than 1 or 2 fruits a day. For example, you eat apple, you eat banana, finish. Some people, sometimes me, I don't even eat. I will not lie to you. It's not all the time that I have that time. I will go and open the fridge, take this one. No. Sometimes I will eat more than 5, but sometimes I will not even eat one, because I don't even have chance. Imagine since morning I dropped my children, then I left. I will come back home in the night. It's just for me to eat and sleep. I believe some of us is the same thing. So you that does not have the opportunity to eat fresh fruit, this is the one you can grab. Put it in your bag. When I was still taking this, do you know what I do? If I'm going out, I will just take it like this. 1 cup, put it in my handbag. You see this one? I will take 1 spoon, tie it in the sachet. Okay? Then this one, I will just open it like this. It's only 1. I take it 1. I will just take it, put it in my bag. When I get to where I'm going, I will make everything and drink it. Under 5 minutes, I'm done with it. I have already made all of them. That I'm done with it. So with that, I have already taken 30 portions of fruits and vegetables. Not just only this one. No, we have 4 capsules. We have these berries. We have fruit blend. We have vegetable blend. We have omega blend. Okay? So those are the 4 capsules. And we have shrimp. We also have the one for shrimp for children. When you order these capsules, they will give you the shrimp for children. Okay? They will give you the fruit for children for 1 full year. Every 4 months, they will be bringing it for your children. Then they were doing promotion. I even bring it here that they are doing promotion. Even now, it's like they are still doing the promotion till now. You understand me? So when you order these 4 capsules, this berry blend, vegetable blend, fruit blend, omega blend, when you order that 4 capsules, they will give you shrimp for children. They will give you the one for children, different type. I think about 2 or 3 like that for children. Those are kids that doesn't like eating fresh fruits and vegetable. When you give them this one, they stream it as if it's sweet. The way they lick sweet, that is how they lick. They do it form of sweet, but it's not sweet. It's fruits and vegetable they use in doing it. You understand me? So that is it, guys. If you know you are that type, you don't even have chance for yourself, grab this one and put it inside your handbag each time you are going out, so you will not be left alone, because it is very good, especially in this pandemic with this coronavirus of 18. We need vitamin, we need something that will be giving us energy. It is very, very important. Don't forget that, guys. You know, I do bring this on my YouTube channel all the time because it is very, very important, especially with this pandemic, with this problem of coronavirus. We all need something that will energize us, that will give us more force, more energy to go. You understand me? So guys, please make sure you always grab fruits and vegetables. If that is the only thing you'll be spending your money, your health is more important. Your health is very, very important, more than any other thing. So if you can spend your money on that, no problem. I'm not saying you should not spend your money on whatsoever, but make sure you grab fruits and vegetables. If you are that type, you are working, you don't have time to buy fruits. You know, when you install it in the fridge, before you know it, it gets spoiled. So instead of that, grab this one. It's not something you will pay once. You pay it 4 times every month. When you pay for the first place, for the first time, they will pack everything for you. They will bring it for you. You will start using it. At the end of the month, you will go and pay. You will pay, and at the end of the month, 4 times like that, you are done paying. You continue taking it. We continue taking it. You understand me? It's not something we just buy and pay it once. They do it in the way we all will enjoy it. Okay? They schedule it in the way we all will enjoy it, because they know that it's not everybody that have that money to pay at once. So that is why they say we will pay it 4 times. When you are done paying, even before you don't pay, you have already started using it. The very first day they ship it to your residence, you start taking it already. So guys, if you know you are the type that is going to work, you don't have time, grab this fruit and vegetable. It's for your own good, especially for this pandemic. Okay, please. You need something that will give you more force, something that will energize you, please. Especially for those women who have given birth, people like us. We are put to bed, we have children. There are many things that have already changed as a woman, inside us as a woman. We need all these fruits and vegetables to put things together. It is not easy to go to labor room. When you go there and come back, your body is not the same. I'm telling you, your body did not remain the same, guys. I am telling you nothing but the truth. So you need all these things to put yourself together again, to regain yourself from those things. You can give birth for 5 years ago. There are some people, ever since I gave birth to my baby, look at, I have been passing through this, I've been passing through that. It happened to me. I can use myself as a testimony. It happened. So the moment you go to that labor room and come back, your body will not remain the same. You might not have a big stomach. Your stomach might not be big, but inside you, there is something that is not functioning well. Ever since you put to bed, ever since you gave birth to your baby, things does not remain the same. There are many things that will change inside you as a woman. So guys, if you need your immune system, grab your own. Start using it. It's a very good product. Especially those that have menstrual pain. This will help you for that. You are looking for the fruit of womb, grab your own. I'll be saying it. It's nothing but the truth. Okay, guys? So as for the business, it's a very nice business. It's a good business. It's a cool business. It's a business that you can do outside your home, inside your home. Especially those that have kids. You are not working. You are not doing anything. And you have something to be doing. Grab this. It's just 60 euros to register. You will have your office. Instant time, you have your office. Okay? You will have your office, and you have people that will put you through. You have people that will teach you. You have people that will come to the meeting. They will put you through. This is how to fish. This is how to do it. This is how you will do it. And you will start doing it. Start making your money. You don't wait for anybody. So guys, please, if you have not started your own, come and join us. Come and be a boss lady like us. Come and be a boss lady. This is what they see me doing on Facebook, and they said, no, bring this your video to YouTube. That was how I landed myself on YouTube. I did not, I keep saying it. I don't understand anything concerning YouTube, although I'm trying to, but I did not understand anything concerning YouTube. I was just trying to do my own thing on Facebook. I don't know if you understand. So until someone saw me there, you are doing well, bring it to YouTube. I don't know if you understand. So that was how I land on YouTube channel. So, but now I thank God I give glory to God Almighty. So, guys, please do not say I did not say it all. Always eat fruit and vegetable. Eat something that will energize you. Don't go and cook. Pack different type of fish, share with shaki, blah blah blah, ifuku, everything. Pack everything on it. you pack everything in the plate, you finish everything once. They sharp, oh. You see this syrup? This place is not Africa. There is no sun here. And remember that everything we are eating here is fertilizer. Here is not Africa, where you will plant something. Our land, they have manioc. They have something they call manioc. That when you plant something, this something will grow and become big on their own without putting, what do they call it? Fertilizer. Here in Europe, when you plant something, me, I do plant something in my balcony. If I don't put fertilizer, those things, they will not grow up and bring the normal fruit I want from them. Do you understand? Go to the market. When you get to some supermarket, you will go. You will see all this lime orange tree. It is very small. It will start bringing fruit. How did you think they plant it? Do you think that sand they put on it is just ordinary sand? They add manioc. There is too much of manioc. They add what do they call it? Fertilizer. There is too much of fertilizer on it that even when the tree is so small, it will be bringing fruits. So don't forget that everything we are eating here is what? Fertilizer. So guys, maintain the way you eat. Control your food and your body. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you for staying up to this time watching this video. Please, if this video makes sense to you, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Drop your comments below what you think about this video. If I'm wrong or I'm right, please drop your comments below. I love you all. It's an opportunity to say thank you again for your support for my watch hour. Thank you for those of you that support me up to this time. Thank you very much. May Almighty God bless you. So guys, I'm not done with this topic. I'm still gonna come again because my children, they have closed. You can even hear their cartoon for the background. So I don't want to continue. I don't want this video to be too long. I will come for the part 2 of this, how we will take a very good care of our body, especially those, there are so many guys that put to bed in this Europe. They don't even know how to do it. They have not done it before when they were in Africa. But when they come here after some years, they just feel like, okay, let me just settle down. So they settle down and they start giving birth. They don't even know how to control their body. They don't even know what to do. I don't know if you understand. So I'm still going to come back and talk about those things. Please, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe because you have a lot to learn from this channel. We all are learning from each other. I learn from you. You learn from me. We are not perfect. We are learning, supporting each other, learning from each other, guys. So if you love and like my topic, please drop your comments below and give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and on my notification bell, so anytime I come on live like this, or anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first person to notify. God bless you all, guys. I will see you in my next video. Enjoy yourself, guys. Enjoy. A very